For the next movement, we're going to go ahead and roll our gastrocnemius and soleus. We're going to use either a peanut ball or a lacrosse ball. We're going to go ahead and grab anything that can lift the ball off the surface of the ground, and we're going to go ahead and throw our leg over it. We're going to go ahead and roll back and forth until we find a tender spot. Once we find a tender spot, we're going to go ahead and do 10 ankle pumps, back and forth. Once we're done with those 10 ankle pumps, we're going to go ahead and do 10 circles one way, 10 circles the other way. Repeat that 3 times and then switch over to the other leg.